BD5 Pilot with you out on an Easter Sunday, doing some work this morning before I head back home to do some dinner prep. Last time I was with you, we had weighed the engine, and we'd been working on these braces for the mounting the gasculator and the aileron autopilot servo, and I finished up that mount now for the aileron servo, and you can see I've made these little braces to help hold that into position a little bit better. Got everything drilled out, and we're just getting ready to up drill to the 1/8" size for the larger for the rivets. And then I am still back messing with the elevator autopilot servo as well. And so I drilled out the hole where the capstan comes through a little bit larger, because I actually want it to where it's really easy to service if I need to pull that off. But I think I've got alignments set up pretty good on that. And as soon as I get this up drilled, I'm going to be finishing up the elevator autopilot servo bracket as well. After my earlier failures with bending this metal to get that bracket made for the elevator autopilot servo, I've learned my lesson. This time I've cut out just the rough of the piece in its entire dimensions. That gives me much more material to get a grip on. So I'm going to make those bends, and then I'll make the cuts after I'm done making the bends. And one side has a nice 90-degree bend. I'm going to bend the other side now. And there we have it. Nice 90-degree bends. And I'll pull that part off and start shaping it. So now I've drilled out where those corners are going to be, and then I'll cut that back so we can then make our next bends. So there's what I managed to have done in the Easter day that I've been here working. I've got the bottom support formed and made, and some more drilling needs to be done on that, and then those need to be up drilled to the 1/8". Top one is up drilled to 1/8 because, as you can see, I bent that first piece the wrong way, and so plan B, because I got the wings correct, so it'll really hold this, and I've got the side support to that, so that ends up being a very strong support. Shouldn't move around a lot. Let's look at the alignment with the cable. So I might bring it in just a little bit more inboard, which won't be a problem. That's easy to do. I just take a little of this material away and push it forward. But it'll give me a nice solid mount that will not allow this to move around and cause problems, control problems with the aircraft on autopilot. And I've got quite the mess on my workbench. Those are the other parts waiting to get cleaned up, because they're ready to. These ones are ready to do the Pro Seal on, but I've got to finish that other piece. So I'm planning to be back here on Thursday, and I got to teach on Saturday, but Sunday will be the next chance I get to see how much of this I can get finished up. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a blessed Easter, and BD5 Pilot is out for now.